So some of the NGOs feel that if companies pay huge sums of money to get GRI report, uh, and if there is something which the consultants find is not good from the sustainability criteria, the company can push and say just drop this para on a 100-page report. You can drop one para. So how does GRI, ensure that it is reported, or what is your view on this?
Actually, first of all, I think GRI's work, and the scope of, interference, if I can use that word, is not to find out, whether the company is dropping out one para or, adding, more paras on one, activity or one parameter. Because our goal is mainstream sustainability reporting. Yeah, that's our mission. And therefore, we are, how are we helping organizations to achieve this? Is by providing this, common framework, based on which the reporting organizations can disclose information, and the report seeking on, organization can read the report, right? So this is our objective, and therefore the GRI guidelines is a public good. This is available to all. Now this is our scope. Secondly, when it comes to this situation, which is most often, commonly happening, I think our say, if someone comes and says that, can you take us out of this situation? I would again like to, inform them or give them advice to both the consultants and the reporting organization that first of all there has to be a conviction, and a commitment by the organization that they would surely like to, go through an incremental process of imbibing transparency as part of their DNA. If this doesn't happen, then it is like a futile exercise. They are doing it. Yeah? And then, the basic thing is that we all love to say that we are ethical, we are transparent, we are sustainable, organizations. But I think the demonstration comes when these kind of situations happen, right?
Yeah.
The second point for the consultant would be to make the whole reporting process very objective. And how can the consultant make it very objective? Why only consultants? I would say even the anchoring team within the company, business organization, does need to be very objective. And why do I say that? When this team, along with the consultants, come up with a criteria to analyze materiality of these indicators, and suppose at the end of the, all this, data collection and report making and picture collection and all that, the management says that let's drop this off. This team, along with the consultant, should have the courage, based on the principle of materiality and stakeholder inclusiveness, that no, if we are dropping this off, this is an important aspect of our performance and impact, which a stakeholder needs to know.
Yeah.
Now, if there is no process and no principles based on which the report or the data has been collected, then what will happen is they will not be able to fight back.
Yeah.
And it will be based on personal perception and whimsical decision. Right? So that is when these kind of situations happen. That, please remove one para or please add two paras. So the principle of neutrality is exactly this. That how do you avoid, putting more information on your achievements? This is one example. And maybe removing, information about your challenges. I would say, I think Indian companies now need to kind of, showcase their leadership. Yeah. And I'm not kind of comparing, maybe Brazil or South Africa or even for that matter China. But from GRI, we would love to have maybe like 500 companies, uploading the sustainability reports on the GRI platform, this year or maybe the coming year. That should be, I think, our goal, to demonstrate that, India is not also kind of seen to be a closed country. But this is also, this country is also taking this, this process very seriously, and therefore is demonstrating by disclosing information on sustainability through their sustainability reports. So the number of reports going up, will be, I think, one of the most important indicators